Hey guys, so as you can see, it's pouring down rain. I know I probably talked to you guys before about the ABS light and the traction control and the check engine light that comes on when you hit these Alabama potholes. I've had issues with this truck for a year. I was out in Colorado and started having issues with it. DOT frowns on stuff like that if they see lights on your dash. So I've been blessed not to ever get grounded or anybody say anything. But I spent about $800, $600 to $800 on parts and stuff to fix that. And I'll talk a little bit about that in that clip coming up. I got a clip coming up. But anyway, today we're going to talk about how to fix the ABS lights and all on a Ram truck. I just got back from giving it a test run and I put her through the ringers. And I'll let you know what the results is coming up. Y'all just hang tight. Hey guys, before we get into the video, don't forget to click the link below and check out Mytee's deal they got going on. $10 off, $250 purchase. On rainy days like today is a good day to do that. So be sure to check them out. Details are in the description. Oh, before I forget, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button and then out to the right there's a bell. Click that bell and make sure you click the one that's all filled in. Then, if there's any way possible, please click to like this video. It helps us out. It makes sponsors like, it gets the attention of sponsors like Mytee. And the more sponsors we get, the more things we can do for you guys. So, help us out. I appreciate it. Every bit of the help you guys give us, I appreciate it. And I love you guys. So now let's watch the video. Hey guys, so I keep having problems with my ABS, you know, brakes and all. I done spent about $800. I think I may have talked to y'all about it before. About it keep coming on. Somebody said it's the ground on your battery. And so I come out here because it only comes on when I hit one of these Alabama potholes. And usually if I shut the truck off and get unloaded, by the time I get loaded, the ABS and all that goes back off. But I want to show you something. You reckon that might be the problem? I'll let you guys know, but I'm fixing to tighten this bad boy down. I kept saying all along it just about had to be a loose wire because I have replaced everything in this truck. And I know of a bunch of people having this problem. And so, but my nephew works at, they run a diesel shop. They couldn't figure it out for nothing. And they kept calling Chrysler or the Ram people. And they kept saying, oh, the parts are bad. The parts are bad. Well, it can't be that many bad parts. But anyway, I'll let you guys know what I find out. So guys, I am testing out the fix. And I am northbound on 59, Gadsden, Fort Payne, Alabama. And this is some of the roughest roads in the country right here, this right lane here. And if any of you have had the same problem I have, you know that potholes is the issue. And so, I don't know where I'm going to put this in the video, but that daggum ABS check engine traction control light should have done come on. I have been southbound and now going northbound, and I'm nearly back to Fort Payne. No light. It is fixed, thank the Lord. There's no telling me hundreds of dollars I've spent on this bad boy, and sleepless nights and worrying about it. Didn't want to spend a bunch more money on it and worried about getting it grounded from DOT. This bad boy is fixed. Thank you, Jesus. Hey guys, so I had to film this last part in the house because I had it filmed and I had a bad echo on my audio, so having to redo that. But yeah, I got it fixed. For those that don't know, it was the ground on the battery. The guy that told us that used to build he used to buy wrecked Ram pickup trucks and build them and sell them. And a friend of mine was having the same issue a couple of years ago. And he went over and talked to him, and he said, hey, raise the hood. He raised the hood, and he had loose ground on his battery. And so he tightened it, never had any more problems. So my buddy, I was talking to him the other day, he said, oh, it's just probably our ground. And so there, before the video come in, I raised the hood. Sure enough, that's what it was. So got it fixed, free fix. It didn't cost me nothing. All I had to do was tighten it down, and I put it through the ringer. That's some of the roughest roads between Fort Payne and Gadsden, and Gadsden back to Fort Payne that there is. That right lane is nearly impassable. It would be smoother if they pushed the asphalt off of it and made it a dirt road. That's how rough it is. So the only roads I've come close to being as rough is in Chicago. They're pretty rough up in Chicago. So, but anyway, so that got that fixed. I'm tickled to death. I looked in the truck, and I found like nearly $700 in parts just for that. I keep saying $600 to $800, but I found a bill for just about $700 in part, but I couldn't figure out what the labor was on it. So I've got about 700 parts plus the labor I've already spent on that thing, and then all it was a ground wire. So not saying those parts might have been bad originally, but now they're not, you know. So if you try it on your truck and it works and it fixes it, oh great. But if it don't fix it, well, you may have other issues. I'm just saying that it fixed my truck, and it fixed my buddy's truck. So I hope this helps you guys, and I appreciate all y'all watching. And be sure to like the video, subscribe, and check out all the links below. Love you guys. Remember, if you're going to have a safe trip, you got to start out doing a safe thing. See you guys.